Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, dive.
Autonomous control here for qualification match number 22. All 6 machines leaving that starting line and heading on their scoring routines. 15-11 grabbing an algae here in the autonomous period, opening up that space, making sure that they back off to get the lead points. It looks like scores on both sides of the field should unlock the autonomous ranking point for both alliances here early. 33-9, Blue takes a strong lead here going into driver control, and some great defense from the 15-59 machine, knocking that algae that was outside 15-11's frame perimeter out of the way. They have to go and recollect, although maybe adding a bit of an obstacle now to the red side as they grab another piece of algae here. 15-59 from Victor continuing to play that defense here for the Red Alliance. 15-11 this time will deliver into the processor. They have another algae right there if they can get around the defense from Devil Tech. And Devil Tech locking down the far side of the field. Looks like waiting for 15-11, but motionless here, and their light is out, so this could maybe be a bit of a problem for 15-59. Maybe lost power here to their battery in the middle of the match, and it looks like Devil Tech is going to be out for the remainder of this match. 1:15 left on the clock. Blue Alliance starting to pull away with the extension of this lead. 15-11 still trying to get around the obstacle, which is 15-59 here. They managed to do so and get their second into the processor, and at least achieves the blue half of cooperation. Just under 1 minute left in play, 95-32. Red Alliance trying to come back in this one, 55-90. Back to collect on the near side. Suits is the scoring team for Red, or perhaps that was just a removal of that algae. Suits using that mechanism on the elevator to remove the algae from the reef. And now they head back to midfield where they're going to wait for the end game period. Scoring continues for the Blue Alliance. There's another delivery on level 3. That one's 15-11. They're going to switch places with the Gladiator Cats, using that ramp to pile up the coral onto level 1. You can see that trough around the reef starting to fill up. 15 seconds left to go here in this one. 125-35. Blue Alliance with a strong lead. And they're going to try and get a ranking point here at midfield. Igniters have 5 seconds to climb up, as does Red. 3 seconds left to go. Igniters are off the ground as time expires, and that could very well be a buzzer beater ranking point for the Blue Alliance. Our referees have indicated that they're going to take another look at this one. They're going to get it together and talk. So we will give them some time to deliberate, and we'll see what those official scores are at the end of this one. While we have a break here, this is match number 22. We'll show these scores and move into match number 23. 23 will be our final match before our lunch break. And regardless of when we end match number 23, we will be starting up match number 24 promptly at 12:45. We'll make this announcement again at the end of match number 23. But in the meantime, it looks like our referees have concluded deliberating, and we are ready for those final scores. And here they come up onto the board. This one is going to go to the Blue Alliance. Blue takes the win in this one, a final score of 148-39. 5 ranking points here for the Blue Alliance, and that's enough for the Igniters to launch themselves up into first place.